How to change opacity of shape in Google Slides. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Slides. Then, simply add your shape. To do that, press on Insert and click on Shapes. Click on Shapes again. Then select the shape you want to add. After you have added the shape, you will find your shape in here. Now to change opacity, click on Fill Color at the top. After you click on Fill Color, in here click on Custom. After you click on Custom, you'll find this kind of screen. You'll find two sliders. Make sure you select the second slider. After you move it somewhere on the left, it will be transparent. Then press on OK after you're done. After you press on OK, you're good to go. This is how to change opacity or shape in Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.